Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you the magic of a Japanese rice mask for skin whitening. This recipe will help you achieve lighter skin in no time. Here is what you need and how to make it. Start with 2 tablespoons of any white rice. Put it in a saucepan and add 1 cup of water. Cook the rice on the stove. Once it's done, blend the cooked rice into a creamy mixture using an electric mixer. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the rice cream. Mix everything well. Cornstarch helps to whiten your skin, removes dirt and impurities, and absorbs excess oils. It's great for lightening dark areas on your body. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This oil helps reduce dark spots caused by sun exposure and removes dead skin cells. Then, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon lightens the skin, reduces dark spots, and boosts collagen for a fresh, glowing look. Your rice cream is ready. Store it in a clean container and keep it in the refrigerator. To use, apply the cream to your skin, including sensitive areas. Leave it on for 20 minutes until it dries, then wash off with warm water. Use this mask 3 times a week for the best results. You'll notice a difference from the very first use clear, white skin free of pigmentation and dark spots. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.